Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you Instagram users out there, especially those who love using direct messages. Instagram has just rolled out some fantastic new updates that are going to make your messaging experience even better. First up, a game changer for voice messages, transcription. That's right. You can now easily transcribe audio clips right there in your DMs. Ever been in a public place or a quiet environment and couldn't listen to a voice message? Now, with a simple tap on the View Transcription button, you can read what was said, making it super convenient to keep up with your conversations, no matter where you are. This is a huge step forward for accessibility and convenience. But that's not all. Instagram is also addressing a common request regarding the length of your audio clips. Previously, you were limited to 1-minute voice messages. Well, get ready to talk more, because the maximum length for audio clips in DMs has been significantly increased. You can now send voice messages up to 5 minutes long. This gives you a lot more flexibility to share longer thoughts, stories, or just have a more extended chat without interruption. These two updates, voice message transcription and extended audio clip lengths, are really going to enhance how we communicate on Instagram. They show Instagram's commitment to improving the user experience and making DMs more versatile and user-friendly. So, go ahead and check out these new features in your Instagram DMs. Let us know in the comments below what you think of these updates and how you plan to use them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Social Elephants for more social media news and updates.